Welcome to Young TIMO Intellectual Educationist channel. Today, we will focus attention on number base. Please, pay more than usual attention to this part because at the end of the video, there is going to be an exercise, and the first person in the comment section that gets the answer right will be rewarded with a cash award of 1,000 naira. Remember, while we're in primary school, we normally do addition of numbers. In addition of numbers, we have 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 usually that will give us 12. Do you normally write 12? No. I guess you say 2. You are correct. But the question now is, why writing 2 but not 1? The reason behind it is, the general base we are operating on is base 10. And since we are operating on base 10, whenever you are writing a number, the number should not be more than the base or up to the base. So if the number is up to the base or more than the base, we normally divide by the base. So having 3 plus 9 giving 12, what we do here is to divide by the base since it's more than the base. So divided by 10. So this will give us 1 remainder 2. So it is that remainder that we now write 2. Here we now have 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 1, it will give us 7. So since 7 is not up to the base, which is 10, so we are going to write it down, 7. Let's now move to subtraction. In subtraction, we have 73 minus 48. The first thing to do is to take away 8 from 3, which is not possible. We will borrow 1 from 7 to 3. Normally, in primary school, they used to tell us that if we borrow 1 from here to here, it will become 13. But how can that be possible? If you are having 3 naira and someone gave you 1 naira, so adding it together, you are supposed to have 4 naira. But now they say we'll be having 13. Why is that? What we normally do is, since what we are operating on is base 10, so if you borrow 1 from here, whatever you borrow is equivalent to the base. So since that 1 is equivalent to 10, we now have 10 plus 3, giving us 13. We now have 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 gives 5. Then here will be remaining 6. Since you've already borrowed 1. So 6 minus 4 gives 2. So that is why we'll be having 25. So that will now help us to move to addition of number base. So from what we have learned so far, whenever a number is up to the base, you don't write, you divide by the base. So let's carry out the addition in base 7 now. In addition in base 7, we have 25 base 7 plus 311 base 7 plus 343 base 7. So the biggest value here is 343 base 7. So we have the solution to be 343 base 7 plus 311 base 7 plus 25 base 7. Having it this way, we have 3 plus 1 give us 4. 4 plus 5 give us 9. Are we going to write 9? No, because 9 is more than the base. We are operating on base 7 here. So what are we going to do? We are going to divide that 9 by 7. If we divide 9 by 7, we are going to have 1 remainder 2. So we are going to write 2. So we have 2. Keep 1. Then here we have 4 plus 1 giving us 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus the 1 you keep, having 8. But 8 is more than the base. So we'll now be having 8 divided by 7. So which is 1 remainder 1. So we have 1, we keep 1. Then 3 plus 3 give us 6. 6 plus the 1 you keep, that give us 7. So are we going to write 7? No, because it's up to the base. So what we are going to do is to divide 7 by 7, giving us 1 remainder 0. So we write 0, keep 1. So since we are not adding anything again, so we can now write that remainder here. So it will now give us 1012 base 7. So now, let's now move to subtraction of number base. In subtraction of number base, we are going to do the same thing. So in the subtraction of number base, we have this base 9, subtract 16718 base 9 from 18630 base 9. Take note of the word they use here. This from this. So that means we are going to write this first, then take away this. Then we have the solution as 18630 base 9 minus 16718 base 9. Now, let us now carry out the subtraction. So we have 0 minus 8, which of course we know is not possible. So since it's not possible, we are going to borrow 1 from here. So if we borrow 1 from here, we'll be left with 2. Remember, whatever we borrow is equivalent to the base. So since we are operating on base 9, so that one is same thing as 9. So we are going to have that 9 plus the 0 we are having. Then 9 plus 0 gives 9. So we'll now be having 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 gives us 1. So we are left with 2 here. 2 minus 1 gives us 1. Then 6 minus 7, which of course is not possible. What are we going to do here? We are going to borrow 1 from 8. Borrowing 1 from 8, we'll be left with 7 here. Then that one that we are borrowing, remember that is equivalent to the base. So that one we borrow is 9. So 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6 give us 15. So then 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 gives 8. Then we are left with 7 here. 7 minus 6 gives 1. Then 1 minus 1 gives 0. So of course there is no need of writing 0, because a 0 before a number is same thing as that number. So the result will now be 1811 base 9. So it is now time to solve the exercise now. So the exercise we are having today is evaluate 212 base 3 minus 121 base 3 plus 222 base 3. So what we are going to do first is to subtract this. After getting your answer, you add to this. Then you get your result. So please, don't forget to solve and put the answer in the comment section. The first person to have the answer from the comment section is going to have a cash prize of 1,000 naira. Don't forget to click on share button and subscribe to our channel so that our videos will be, we are uploading our video, you'll be getting the notification. Thanks.